simple strategy that has to do with just the stochastic and nothing else. All right. Now, this strategy is quite simple to use, beginner friendly, as you can see, right? It's very simple, and I'll show you how to use it. So the first thing you got to do is look out for your oversold and your overbought, right? Now let me give you a few examples. Now, whenever price crosses, it indicates a sell. Whenever price crosses, indicates a buy. Whenever price crosses, indicates a sell. Whenever price crosses, indicate a buy. Whenever price crosses, indicates a sell. Just like that. Now with this indicator, you can add it onto any other confluence, and it's a great tool to use when you are trading. So check it out, add it as a confluence to your strategy, and let me know in the comment section below.